Good evening, and welcome to Dr. D's VIP Experience and Paranormal Challenge. There's a good reason Fort East Martello is named one of America's most haunted locations. Sometimes spirit activity is wild, sometimes it's mild, but you never know what is lurking around the corner. Your mission tonight? Locate and communicate with the dead who haunt these grounds. This short video will show you how to operate our ghost hunting equipment on your hunt and provide tips to get the most out of your VIP experience. Use our Haunted Hotspots map to locate areas of the fort known for paranormal activity. The flip side of the map includes a short description of each hotspot and the spirits known to gather there. Spirits roam. Dowsing rods, EMF meters, and laser thermometers will also assist you in locating them. Hold the short arm of the dowsing rod in your hand and ask it to show you where the ghosts are. The long arm will direct you to spirit activity. Your EMF meter will alert you to the presence of a spirit, but remember, not all spirits create electromagnetic fields. The red light indicates strong electromagnetic activity. Green indicates no electromagnetic field. You can turn your meter on and off by pushing the central button. Your laser temperature gun detects temperature changes from a distance. When you see a shadow creature or sense spirits moving, point the gun and pull the trigger. The buttons on the back of the gun change settings between Fahrenheit and Celsius, light the display, and turn the laser setting on or off. Spirit activity is likely if your reading fluctuates by at least 10 degrees. When hunting ghosts, don't forget to engage your sixth senses. The best ghost hunting equipment was issued to you when you were born. Pendulum dowsing is a great way to engage the spirits you encounter and discover more information about them through yes and no questions. Place the pendulum board on the ground and hold the pendulum between your index and middle finger. Invite the spirits to communicate. If they are present, the pendulum will swing in a yes or no direction. If the spirit doesn't know the answer, the pendulum may circle the board indicating maybe. We have a list of questions for you if you are not sure what to ask. If the pendulum begins to vibrate, end the session immediately. Always end a session by saying goodbye and turning the board over. The spirit box uses rapid sweeps and white noise for spirit communication. Each box is ready for use. Just flip the designated switch to turn it off and on. If your box starts functioning like a radio, the sweep knob has been turned. Turn each knob in the direction of the arrow beside it to maintain proper settings. Allow spirits up to 30 seconds to respond to your questions. Spirit boards are a great way for 2 or more people to engage in spirit communication. Follow instructions in the box and be careful not to invite anything home with you. If you're looking for a specific spirit, try luring them out with one of our trigger objects. Not sure where to hunt? Try Dr. D's Paranormal Challenge boxes. Each box will send you on one of Dr. D's favorite paranormal missions. Always be alert. Ghost hunting on your own in a dark fort can be dangerous. Make this room your home base. Take and leave things as needed, and don't feel like you need to use all of the equipment at once. Less is more when you are ghost hunting. Be respectful and communicate with spirits as you would with humans. Negative and disinterested attitudes repel paranormal activity. If you're in a group and nothing is happening, try venturing off on your own. This is an old fort. Always use your flashlight and exercise great caution while walking, using staircases, or moving around. Never run, even if a ghost is chasing you. This is an active museum, and we ask that you do not touch museum artifacts unless specifically instructed. When you are finished ghost hunting, return all of your equipment to the VIP table. Please check your pockets for small items like flashlights that you might have tucked away. Be sure to cleanse with the provided holy water, cascarilla powder, and Florida water. And sign out or check out with our ghost host before leaving. Once you're outside, do a final brush down to make sure no spirits follow you home. If you need assistance or additional instruction, don't hesitate to ask your ghost host. Dr. D's Paranormal Challenge starts now. The D stands for death, and the doctor is expecting you.